Hello mga pamangkin.
Hello.
We're looking forward today. As in forward into the future dahil madaming na-reveal nung D23 concerning
Madami.
Lorcana. Sobrang dami. And we want to talk about that. And just well, alam naman namin na a lot of you already know about these things. So this will be less about the reveals and more about our opinions on how these reveals will affect the local community. Kasi nga, ang dami nangyari. There's gonna be a very drastic shift in how Lorcana will look in season 3 as we go into it, and
The
alam naman natin na may
future.
overlap. So we're just going to be it's are we even gonna make any predictions? I don't think we are, but we're gonna be speculating, I guess, on how
Little bit
these things will affect us
for the big reveals.
for
Let's
the big
go.
reveals. Again, alam nyo na tong mga to, but we just want to discuss so that at least the community, and kung hindi nyo man alam, you're welcome. So,
Hey.
anyway, we'll start off with the new pricing for the
Season.
DLCs, no? For the DLCs of season 3, and it's no longer going to be the Golden Mickey. It's I believe it's going to be benched.
Yeah, yun yung ano namin, feedback namin, no? No official confirmation yet or hindi namin narinig, but the rumor is that ibe-bench na muna siya.
Kasi alam ko hindi pa ubos yung Golden Mickeys.
We actually talked about this with a few people that
Yeah.
there are some numbers
Yeah.
that haven't come out
yet. Yes, that's
Nice.
true. That's
those,
true.
those special numbers
The
that
special,
we will not talk about.
special,
but
very
some of
special,
them-
funny numbers that have not yet come
The
out.
nice
Maybe we could
numbers.
talk about 6, 7. It hasn't come out yet. No, that's one of the numbers that hasn't come out yet. 6,
So, yun.
7.
The Golden
6,
Mickeys
7.
are still there. They're probably gonna be benched, but right now we're gonna have the Golden Hadeses, and they're gonna be tiered pricing. So, let's go first to the Hades Dark Usurper, which is our Exodia Hades that just came out. So if you don't know about that, it's a Hades that is it whenever he quests? Sorry, hindi ko kasi mabasa eh.
Whenever this character quests,
Oh yeah,
you
whenever.
reveal your inkwell. If you reveal 5 or more Titan characters with different names, you win the game.
Yes, so
No
it's
qualms about it.
yeah, it is an alternate win condition, and these are all the same card, just all different
Iba-iba yung
arts. Yeah, iba-iba yung art. The top 8 there will be like 250 of them, correct?
Yeah.
Top 8,
Yeah,
250s.
and then the other alternate art is the Hades Dark Usurper, the championship. If you
Yep. If
win
you win a
in DLC,
36.
there's 36 of them, because
36
there
of
will
them.
be 36, meaning there will be 36 DLCs
36 DLCs.
across the season. And of course, there will be the one of 8
World champ.
World Championship High Hades Dark Usurper for the top 8 of worlds. We can only speculate about how much these cards will be, but it kind of just gives a little bit more prestige to being part of the World Championship, because you will have a card that is literally one of 8, while all the other tiers are gonna be, still gonna be prestigious, but at least there's now more of a differentiator aside from numbers. Unlike before that, it's everything is a Golden Mickey, which you don't know if they got it as a top 8 competitor in NA or a top 4 in Asia. So this kind of gives it a little bit more of a delineation of how well you performed in a major tournament. So that's the good thing about it.
Much more incentive to really do well kasi this could go for ginormous
Big
money.
bucks.
Yeah, a lot of money.
So Golden Hades winners na, hindi na Golden Mickeys.
Yes. And of course, they're trying to really position Hades as the big bad in this
This cycle.
entire cycle with leading up to into the Ink Dark. So yeah, those are the Golden Hadeses. We can look at the next one, which is the
DLC stuff.
DLC stuff for the playmats. They're really nice. The prize wall playmats will be the Ursula and the Gaston, while day 2 qualifiers now have more incentive to
Amet.
to do the day 2 thing.
to do the day 2, because you get a playmat It used to be you just get the 64 extra tickets, which is
64
still
extra
good, but
tickets.
I'm not sure if they're gonna continue, if this is a replacement or something on top. I hope it's something on top of the
It's
64
probably
tickets.
something on top.
Yeah.
That's a lot of play
But
mats.
if you make day 2, you already pretty much profit. You've already made back whatever entrance fee, or some some may say it could even possibly pay for your entire trip, to if the location, the DLC location is nearby. And of course, if you make top 16, you will get the Madam Mim playmat. They all look nice. The day 2 playmat is, I think, Scar. Is that Scar? If Be
Yeah, yun
Prepared.
yung be
Yeah,
prepared.
the
Be
Be
prep.
Prepared
Mm.
Be
na
prep.
alternate art. And of course, there's Gaston and Ursula.
Superior Archer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the
Deceiver,
Gaston that is
Ursula.
pretty
The
much,
Gaston Archer.
yeah,
It's everywhere.
it's everywhere right now. So that's gonna be. And
Might as well
speaking,
get it in a mat.
World's
yeah,
greatest Gaston.
the world's greatest Gaston. And speaking of the world's greatest Gaston, I think that's coming up next, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
the
it's one of the
the promo
cards.
cards that are coming in the DLC. If you make top 64, you get a world's greatest Gaston.
Get yours now.
Yeah, that's probably gonna be foil.
Yep,
If you
it's
make
gonna be foil.
make top 64, it's likely gonna be in the. I'm not sure if it's gonna be in the prize wall, the non-foil version. It usually is, but there's also the top 32, which is the new Madam Mim from this is from Hyperia, right? Hyperia
Yep.
City.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Hyperia. Yes.
this is
Resourceful trickster.
yeah, this is
Still
set
to
for
be
team.
determined kung ano
Uh,
yung ano niya.
What its actual use is, but we already have a preview of that, of what she does. And it concerns, of course, the new ink drops,
mechanic.
the new mechanics that are going to be coming up soon for Hyperia City. But yeah, but I think just the top 64 alone, because that is a very playable card.
Yeah, ito kasi yung
Very.
ano yung napag-usapan namin recently na yung current pricing for the
Season
DLCs, well, past season DLCs is
Yeah, season 2, yeah.
although they really look nice and they're like characters, very iconic characters in Elsa and Simba, hindi
Mulan.
kasi sila playable.
Yeah. Mas
Yun
playable pa
yung-
yung entry yung Pegasus.
yun yung yun nga, yun yung problema doon, no? So yung Pegasus, Mulan, Elsa, and then the Simba are
Yeah.
all like really nice to look at and really good to have, but yung playability kasi yung nag-drive ng value.
Yeah. And
So,
they're not very
and
playable.
I'm pretty sure that this Gaston will even cost more than
Yeah.
maybe the Elsa.
So yeah,
kasi,
more intensive
kasi,
to get top 64.
more reason to kasi I mean like hindi ko ma-imagine kung parang yes, you get one Elsa na foil. Okay, fine. Di ba? You
Yeah.
get one foil na
Congratulations.
Simba, and you kind of stop there. Pero yung mga iba, parang since gusto nilang mag-flex, gagamit
Yeah.
sila ng 4. So probably some of the top players will want to gun for multiple of these. So talagang mas nag-drive yung price.
Yeah.
And again, the more playable a card is, the more valuable it becomes.
I mean, I have
So-
one of those Simbas from the previous season. It's like just there, not
It's
doing
just there.
anything.
Yun nga, it's just there. Ako nga natatakot ako para sa'yo na ano it's just there eh.
It's just there.
Oo. At actually nga, yun nga yung pinag-usapan natin, di ba, na parang ngayon na meron tayo ng Emerald Steel na deck na merong Pegasus, parang might as
Yeah.
well
Might
buy
as well
your
stick
foil
those, yeah.
Pegasus.
Might as well stick those in the deck, right?
Oo,
Flex.
di ba, para magamit mo naman Flex, di ba?
You
Kahit
joined the
namamatay lang
DLC.
siya, kahit namamatay lang siya sa Eleanor one shot. At least, uy, wow.
Mahirap
Could be
i-ink
glorified
yun.
ink, no?
Yeah.
But yun
Alright.
nga, parang we're driving the fact that yung mga pricing has truly leveled up from the previous season. Malayong malayo. Like season 1 pricing was okay, then season 2 was kind of bleh, and then season 3 is kind of whoa, diba?
Yeah,
So
and
bumalik na naman siya.
a lot of pro players are actually parang they're like, yeah, we need to do well
we
this
need
season.
to do
So
well this
it's
season.
gonna be a very, very competitive season.
Yeah.
So we really need to up our game if you want to go into the competitive aspect of Lorcana. A lot of people are really, really getting ready for season 3 because of these new prizes. And of course, there's a little bit more
Ito,
Again, there's the
yung
participation prize is the Ursula, which is also a playable card. So
Hindi, yun nga. Again, and this will probably be in a foil as well.
yeah,
Pati yung be
be
prepared
prepared. Oh my God,
will be in foil as well.
that's
So,
everybody's gonna be gunning for that be
ngayon
prepared,
lahat ng
man.
tao parang kailangan mga 3 wins sa
Yeah,
DLC kasi
For the B prep.
yung B prep na foil habulin mo talaga yan,
Ganda.
no? So, much more incentive to really go out and, play, do well,
practice.
no? Kasi kapag hindi niyo nakuha tong mga to, parang sayang.
Yeah,
A lot of people would want a foil playset of the Ursula.
yeah,
Gamit yan sa lahat ng deck. Kapag meron kang Emerald, you probably need one.
yeah.
You'd have, and having 4 of those shiny things, like yan, flex talaga yan, no?
And,
So kung
core
yung
pa.
Pegasus na nakuha ninyo, may value siya ngayon. I mean, like, kumbaga, yun yung sinabi namin before eh. You join the DLC, you get a Pegasus, you break even.
Yeah. Right
Ito,
now,
feeling ko hindi
More
lang siya
than-
break even eh. Kikita ka pa talaga eh.
yeah,
If you're here, If
you're
dito
here,
ulit,
yeah.
well, we're hoping that we have one here.
Yeah.
But it seems like all signs are pointing to, hopefully.
Let's check our Magic 8 Ball.
Kasi parang
Signs
of the
point yes.
'di ba 36 na yung slots
DLCs,
ng
yeah.
DLCs. We have 11 that's already been declared. So
There's still a lot more.
that's almost a third. Pero may mga parating pa. So hopefully we get ours as well. But again, yung namin is yung kung ano yung sinabi namin before, kung sulit ng pumunta ng isang DLC, mas lalong sulit na pumunta ngayon.
Definitely. Yeah.
Kahit na even if you have to fly to somewhere near like a Hong Kong or a Singapore,
Thailand.
yeah,
No,
medyo,
yun nga, di ba?
if you
May
do
Bangkok na
do
eh.
well, sulit. If you do very well, sulit na din. Because of the play mats, and yeah, if you make day 2, you get that play mat. That play mat's probably gonna pay for your entire trip. Very, very good pricing.
It's probably foil as well.
Yeah, foiled out siguro
Foil
din yan.
man.
Well, we can only speculate, but they're showing us this. But given our experience in previous DLCs, it probably will be.
Kasi yung mga playmat na binigyan ng DLC foiled eh.
Yeah. And next one, I think, is the
Pins.
challenge pins.
Yeah. So, to clarify lang, nakalagay kasi dyan organized play program, but it seems like so far, from what we have read, is that these are only available in the DLCs.
So likely prize wall or whatever.
Most likely prize wall siya. Like how you, what they call this, how you grinded for those Elsa pins
Ice maker
ng DLC.
pins,
Ito naman yung may choices ka naman ng pins ninyo. They would probably be of the same size as well.
They're almost the same shape. Yeah, almost the same shape.
They're kind of the same shape.
Yeah.
Pero nandyan sila at may choice kayo sa kung ano yung pwede ninyong kunin. So more incentive to also grind out the games in case na hindi kayo umabot ng day 2 or meron kayong mga target na hindi niyo nakuha. Meron pa rin. So it seems like they're really revving up that DLCs are these really grand events that give so much pricing, so much incentive for you to go and do well.
Ang ganda lang, napansin ko lang din, this is really, Season 3 is the villain era. Villain yung top prize. All of the pins. Yeah. All of the pins are villains.
Kaya nga,
so it's
diba,
so cool.
Ano yung nila tawag doon? Yung Season of Villainy.
Season of Villainy. Disney all over.
Kaya nga yung Descendants din, di ba? Meron silang bagong, may bagong installment in the Descendants series, which is Disney Channel original, I believe, a Disney Plus original movie wherein it's the descendants of the Disney villains that are being the focus of the story.
I guess point out ko na lang din, amongst the pins, di ba? Yung wala, notably, is Blue Steel. Kaso blue naman si Hades eh.
Well, I mean like, blue nga si Hades. Yun nga yung nun eh, dahil blue si Hades.
Yeah, everyone else
most likely merong mga prints of Titans, probably in Ink Dark. Yun yung feeling
Alright.
natin.
Sige. Let's go.
To the next
Youth
one.
division.
Okay,
Okay.
so ito, anong opinion ninyo dyan?
Youth division, ako personally, I don't really get why they should have a youth division, but I guess it's just so that kids don't get intimidated whenever they play, because they're gonna be playing with the same cards. They're probably gonna be employing the same tactics, but at least it's among other kids, and there's gonna be less, like, you're not gonna be not a 10-year-old facing a big burly man like
Pikagay.
like
Ay, mali.
Alessandro. Like someone like 6'5" like Alessandro. And then be like intimidated. Although he is a really nice guy. But yeah, I guess it's just so that there was that demarcation, of course, to make it more comfortable for the kids. So I'm not totally against it, but maybe I'm just not a parent, so I don't get the need for it. But I appreciate that it's there. And I think it's working for that other card game, Pokemon, wherein they have a
Yeah.
junior division. So this will get more of that age group. Sorry, what's the age group of junior of
So,
youth
There's
division
two.
again?
so may
Yung,
dalawang
ah,
which we will get to after
Yeah.
this
sige,
one.
balikan
Ayan,
na
which
lang.
is that?
Balikan na natin. So,
Actually, which
isang
is
8
that?
to 12 and then 13 to 17.
Yeah.
So there's
Okay.
two divisions.
Two divisions. So once you're 18 years old and above, you're no longer eligible
The
for
youth.
the youth division.
Mm.
Sa ano na kayo? Sa Gayut division na kayo. Gayut na.
So, ang ano kasi dyan yung importante kasi dyan is that, at siguro as Lorcana parents, you
Mhm.
would want your kids in the game as well.
Participating.
Yeah.
Participating and
Competitively.
competitively, and yung again, going with the villain theme, si Syndrome naman yun nandyan, no? But and they chose really playable cards as well.
Yeah,
Si
syndrome.
Syndrome yung steal. Okay.
So yun na na-complete na natin, no. So ito very important card to sa Omni Droids
Yeah.
na deck, no. So if you have these in Blinks, no, umutos ka ng mga bata. Laro kayo, galingan ninyo, di ba? Get some cards for daddy.
Participation.
Yeah.
And may naisip na ako agad parang inisip na namin parang ba't by age nito ano pa lang siya, 7 pa lang siya.
Oo, abot yan.
Malapit na siya mag-8.
Abot yan.
Oo, more incentive to have your kids play kasi yung pricing, I mean, like, na unique sa kanila would have something worth looking forward to.
They're starting it early, 'di ba? So they felt na meron na ngang younger player base. So might as well give them something nga din. So something for them lang talaga. So tayo kahit na adults na nga tayo beyond 18, kahit gustuhin nating makipaglaro, wala na, gated na tayo diyan.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
May dadagdag lang ako na parang on the reverse end of it. 'Di ba? Parang we're doing it wrong. We have the youth division so that the kids will be able to play with other players their own age and they'll be more comfortable. Or in the reverse end of it, hindi tayo mapapahiya na tinalo tayo ng 12 years old.
I mean, feel ko naman kung mangyari yun, deserved.
It's not a big blow to the ego of the older player. Like, I just got beat up by a 10-year-old.
We welcome changes like these.
But yes, we welcome
Alam
those.
mo, may kilala akong bata nakakatalo ng
Yeah. And it's not uncommon. Like, we've seen previous set champs wherein kids win it, right? Sa US especially, when some kids win set champs there. So, again, it's not uncommon to have people that age, kids that age, playing this game and doing really, really well. So it makes sense. Again, I'm not I'm not a big proponent of it, but I don't mind it.
Alright.
Let's move to the next one.
The
big one.
The big one.
Although matagal pa to, it's just
Yeah.
we don't really know. It's probably not even coming in next year. But there is an announcement for a digital game of Lorcana. So we can look forward to a future where we can talk about Bruno. But for now, we still
We
can't talk
wait.
about Bruno, and we wait. But one good thing about this is that if ever when this comes out, there will be a lot more online content. Because at least now it's legit. Like there's still a lot of creators, including us, who want to stream our games, but of course we couldn't
Mhm. We
because
couldn't.
we want to play by the rules. We don't want to talk about Bruno. But
Ito
when this
official,
happens, when the official client comes out, more games will be streaming. Lorcana's gonna blow up on Twitch probably, and some other more popular creators will likely join into the fray. So yeah, it again, growth has the good and the bad, but it's gonna be mostly good. So yeah, I can't wait to get my hands on this. It's probably probably gonna need to spend some money to get some cards for this, like that other online
We
client
don't know yet.
with NTG
Hindi pa
we don't
natin
Arena. We
alam.
don't know, but
know.
it's highly likely. It's gonna be highly likely.
But
I
again,
mean,
we don't know yet.
yeah, we don't know
It
yet.
it
Ako
it
ako
could be that you
personally
scan your cards. I don't know.
Maybe.
Ako personally invested kasi nga one of the reasons I don't play online is hindi official. So
Ah,
this is big news for
yeah.
me and it felt like para sa akin talaga. So it's calling for me na oy maglaro ka na online. And if you haven't signed up, it helps din naman on their end to know yung interest
Yeah.
level, to know
So yes, please scan this QR
sign-ups.
code. This is the QR code for
Get
that, right?
informed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So get informed. We wait for updates and hopefully we get it sooner rather than later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah,
Can't really
So
talk about a lot of this kasi speculative
It's
lahat, no?
speculative lahat to.
Pero the mere fact that it's been announced that it's in
in
production
Yeah.
development,
is ready and
Yeah. So we
ready
need
to
to
be
they
get
stepped
feel
ready.
forward.
We need to get
they
ready
feel
for
good
this.
about it.
Yeah, we will be prepping for this one.
Mhm.
All
All
right.
right.
So
Mhm.
we move on to the
The
timeline.
timeline. This is the MCU style phases. Of course, we're
Mhm.
already in Attack of the Vine. This is the start of year 4. And of course, next is
May
Hyperia
year
City coming what's this October, right? No,
October,
October
October.
16.
Sorry,
Yep.
middle October,
Middle October, then of
Sep
Then
course,
14,
quarter 1 yata itong
yeah,
quarter 1 yung Ink Dark and then quarter 2 yung Cosmic
Cosmic
Quest.
Quest.
Cosmic Quest.
We've seen some cards from Ink Dark, including the new Hades, but the Cosmic Quest we still have no
Wala pa.
idea.
Merong Flounder and Ariel.
With
And
legs,
all
Ariel with legs.
those fairies.
Ah,
I'm expecting a little bit Treasure Planet as well.
because it's
Yung
cosmic.
collection na
Spurs.
naman, we'll see.
Mm.
Tatamaan na naman, but let's see. No?
Yung ano ba, yung Tinkerbell, is it the next or kasama siya sa Cosmic Quest?
Alam ko kasama siya sa Cosmic.
Yeah, that
Oh.
Tinkerbell, that Tinkerbell art that we're seeing right now.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Is that
yung
the Cosmic Quest Tinkerbell? Yeah, it looks like a pilot and
Maybe,
stuff.
maybe.
Yeah, so it looks very on theme for a Cosmic Quest set. So, yeah.
Okay, next slide. Ito naman parang preview lang naman yan. Alam naman natin na parating
Yeah,
sila.
okay.
So ito.
eto,
Some wallets are gonna bleed. Because
beaten.
yes, it is the curator's collection, which is alternate art for some of the more princessy themed or fantasy. Hindi naman princess,
princessy
but
themed.
but it's very Beauty and the Beast. All of it is Beauty and the
Yeah,
Well,
Beast.
Beauty and the Beast
Yeah,
itong
edition
specific
talaga.
collection.
This collection is very Beauty and the Beast, and there's alternate art for some of them more popular or known cards of it, although not all of them are playable. BR Guest and Lumiere are the most playable among
Yung
these.
Beast.
Yung Beast, Sad Beast.
Sad
Beast
Beast ba yan?
yan.
Okay, ayan.
Yes,
Sad.
sir.
Okay, so
Di na siya sad.
there's
So,
Hindi na siya sad.
there's 3 playable cards here, but replayable or not, they're gonna be really, they look really, really nice.
Gaston was used.
Yeah,
before.
I remember Gaston being used in one of the decks before. Because it's still a 3-lore questor, so still good. But
maganda
yeah,
talaga eh. Yung stained glass na box,
it's
tapos
beautiful.
yung stained glass yung sa cards.
But
it's something to, talaga, super chase.
but the
Diba?
chances of us getting one of these is gonna be very, very low.
for the collectors, I mean, like, very possible that we get it. There are some things that have been not necessarily leaked, but
Yeah.
shared sa ano sa well, if you're part of the international na Facebook group, shinare nila yung tungkol sa shops getting more of these.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah. So
Okay,
there
okay.
might be some chance na makakakuha tayo locally kung masusundan natin yun, no? But it seems kasi na yung mga email na pinadala nila to the LGSS are EUNA pala.
Yeah, exactly. That's
So
why.
parang wala pa yata sa atin.
The Asia
I
region,
have to
wala pa.
confirm,
We'll see,
pero
we'll
most
see.
likely wala.
We'll have to reach to our sources.
Oo.
But yeah, yun,
Kasi
the
kanina lang
Beauty
na-confirm eh.
Beauty and the Beast edition or collection, it's good to look at and might be hard to come by. So keep a watch out na nga lang din
Yeah.
and protect your wallets.
And if there's any one set that I would buy, it's this because it's Beauty and the
Beast,
Beast.
Diba? So let's go.
Medyo
move
safe
on.
yung franchises namin. Di sila ganun
ako,
ka, ano
ako
ka,
hindi ako safe doon. And
Speaking
speaking of
of
collectors,
Big box.
yeah,
Speaking of big box,
big bucks, the big bucks. Yan,
collector boosters.
yes.
So
na-release na nila yung details nito.
may details na we've seen yung yun nga, yung cards, 'di ba? What's it called? Yung illustrious, 'di ba?
Illustrious.
Yung
Illustrious rarity.
serialized, yung
Serialized.
serialized cards. Let's
Yep.
take a peek nga, ayan, no. So it could be ranging from any set, tama ba?
Well,
Kung ano yung available. Tapos it's
we don't know yet.
23s.
We don't know
We'll
yet.
see kung
Ayun.
ano yung
But meron na nga nagba-bounty sa sa
Yeah.
1923 because that's the year that Disney was started. 1923.
Yung
So,
1923 naka-bounty siya ng
yeah,
like
naka-bounty.
125 USD
No,
thousand
250.
250.
$250,000. Somebody, I don't remember
Yeah,
the name,
somebody bountied
but
from the
somebody bountied,
US.
but somebody already bountied this card. That if you find it, he will buy it for $250,000.
USD.
US
Magkano yun?
dollars, yeah. That's
Magkano yun in pesos? Tingnan lang natin na mabilis kasi ano eh. Oh.
So how
Oh.
much is it?
It's 15M.
15M. Yeah, you
Oh.
can buy a house with that.
You can buy a house.
Yeah. In a
Alright.
decent neighborhood. So
Well to add, no. Ito yung sinabi ni Juancho na parang I hate it. kasi parang mas konti pa ito kaysa sa DLC.
yeah.
Which I get.
Yeah.
I get it.
And
no?
it's lesser than an invite to worlds.
It's lesser than an invite
it's
to,
rarer
ano,
than an invite to
It's
worlds.
rarer than invite to worlds.
Though ano nga ba yung details ng collector's packs?
Okay, so yung collector's box is yung hindi ko alam kung ilan yung laman ng pack. Probably can you go back? Like, kung 15 man yan, 15 ba? Yeah,
12.
I think
12
12.
premium foil cards per
12.
pack.
It's all foils. No. So there
No
is
puzzles.
a higher chance na makakuha ka ng Enchi, Epic, and Iconic. Kung ano man yung meron dyan. No. And you can only get, I think, the serialized cards here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yung
Illustrious, yeah.
Illustrious.
The Illustrious is only here.
That
Yeah, it's
level.
exclusive.
So, this will be cards, di ko alam kung halo-halo, pero parang if it's Ink Dark, then mostly from the Ink Dark then. The thing with this one na feeling ko magiging okay sa atin locally is that yung mga boxes natin ng cards, hindi na siya magiging ganun kataas as they are now.
Yeah, hindi na siya magiging target. It's
Okay,
lesser target for
lesser
scalpers.
target na siya ng mga scalpers.
The scalpers will probably target this more.
Target this one. Yeah. So if there's anything na na magiging positive about this is this. No. So ano yung bad dito? Kung collector ka, sorry mo na lang.
Yeah.
May kaagay.
Ganun lang yun.
Pero yeah, kung
No?
collector
Pero,
ka naman, you're at that at that income bracket where you're likely going to be buying these anyway, and it would
yeah,
not
but
be much of a problem for you. It's just gonna
na-
sting a bit more, but you can
yeah.
take it. You can take it, big boy.
Well,
Tsaka
depende.
mas higher chances. I think they'll take that,
Yeah,
'di
they'll take
ba?
those
Mas higher
chances.
chances, 'di ba? So it's good. No, we expect this ng set 15 and wala pa naman tayong details if it's gonna kung every set meron or
It's
who
likely gonna
knows.
be. It's likely gonna. Well, that's just my speculation. It's likely gonna be every set after set 15 will have a collector booster
Yeah.
version. Like just like in other card games in Magic the Gathering, every set has a collector booster box.
Pero ito na lang siguro yung pinaka-takeaway ko dito is that, again, yung email na shinare nila in the international Facebook
Yeah,
group talking about yung mga targets na kailangan ma-hit
ng
ng
LGS.
mga LGS.
Yeah.
So, meron kasi doon isang tier na if the shop reaches a certain amount of people playing, amount of
Events,
events that
uh,
they hold,
unique
no,
players, the
mas
metrics,
madami silang nakukuhang allocation
allocation.
ng collector booster.
Yes.
So, yan yung para sa akin malaking bagay. Kasi kung hindi ninyo gagawan ng paraan na suportahan yung ating mga LGS,
LGS. Wala tayo makukuha.
kayo din yung mawawalan ng allocation nito. No?
Yeah.
And I guess like knowing our LGSs, ito kasi yun eh. So one of the major things that was in the email was that a regular shop will not get a
Collectors.
collector's booster. So, ano yung mga shop na pwedeng magkaroon ng collector's boosters? Yung mga nagra-run ng organized play.
Yeah.
And there are
Yep.
2 tiers to it. You have the standard, which is meron kang set champs. And then you have the parang legendary
Legendary.
shop
Legendary level.
that they get 2 set champs na
Mhm.
2 set champs na kits plus more allocation of the collectors booster. Pero yun, parang kapag tinulungan ninyo yung mga LGS ninyo to reach these criteria, no, that's more for you, more for us.
So support
na
your
access.
LGSs.
So support niyo yung LGS ninyo. Hindi ko kayang again, this is just us speculating na, pero parang kung meron ng rules na babagsak sa atin, as early as now, dapat ginagawa natin siya. Make it a habit to support your LGS so that when this time comes, madali na lang.
Yeah, madaling habulin
makuha.
kung may kailangan, di ba?
Yeah. So, we can talk about the metrics later on. Pero, pag sinupport niyo sila, then it's all the better for everybody.
Yep.
It's kind of unfortunate that the pricing for this set is not that okay. Para sa akin, hindi siya ganun ka-enticing yung mga cards na na-print, mga napili. But like moving forward, hopefully things get a little bit better. And yun nga, parang we have something that we can concretely contribute to for more access to these kinds of stuff.
The products.
So we talked about in a previous episode yung allocation na ang hirap-hirap maghanap. Ito directly matutulungan yung mga LGS natin, and I think it's a very good step forward. Isa sa mga naging complaints kasi nung mga ibang well, at least in the US, and maybe to an extent when we started distribution, yung mga set champs na para matuloy na lang yung set champs, naglalagay tayo ng mga tao.
Yeah.
But again, we can't really blame our LGSs during that time kasi parang bago pa lang, wala pa player base.
We've come so far na talaga.
We've come so far kasi dati talaga, may magsasabay ng set champs. Sino yung pupunta dito, sino pupunta diyan para lang matuloy pareho paghahatiin natin, 'di ba? Para
Yeah.
matuloy pareho na parang
Ngayon,
ngayon parang paglabas sa set champs ubos
agawan
na
na.
agad. Mas lalo na yung pag-uusapan natin mamaya, no?
Oo.
So
Sige,
again, this
sige.
gives more incentive for LGSs to carry product, to have more
Hold
events,
And
events.
promote the game.
and promote the game.
Unique players talaga.
Kasi yung set shops talaga will be a very important pillar of competitive Lorcana moving forward. Much more so in the next few sets.
Check out the next stuff. Eto, qualifier. Diba?
Yeah. So
We've seen this out in the wild na.
yeah. So yung nag-post si Patrick that he won a match
Yeah.
in
Top
a
8.
CTQ.
Si
Top 8
ano,
siya.
sa Lorcana Duo.
Lorcana
Lorcana Duo
Duo.
Patrick.
Nakatawa, bit-bit, may mga picture siya, bit-bit ka anak niya. Nagpapaano pa siya, nagpapakain pa siya ng anak niya bago nabigyan ng kalaban. No? So, some pits. May got top 8. And ito yung mat na
Congrats.
pwede mong makuha. No? The thing with this one is that this is exclusively for CCQs.
Which we
And
call an ACQ in our
which we
side
call
of the
an
pond.
ACQ here, pero parang
Just call it a CCQ.
Or
for
CQ.
simplicity's sake, CCQ na lang siya. So, much more incentive for shops to also aim to host these things.
Qualifiers. Yes.
Kung kaya mong pagpreparan yan, there are slots for it. And these will be, I think, limited in the region kasi hindi pwedeng madami. So,
Yeah.
kailangan paunahan. So, kailangan ng ma-plan out. Kung meron mang gusto mag-try, plan out ninyo. You apply for it and then the pricing will be there. On top of kung ano man yung ibibigay pa. Kasi one of the requirements is that you have pricing good for 128 players. If you can go more, then more. So, if you have the 128, isang malaking checkbox na yan. And then, kapag na-approve nila yung date, then they'll send over the materials on top of community. Kasi libre na lang, alam ko libre na to. Ibibigay nila ng RB.
Yeah, they don't need to, the store doesn't need to pay for it.
Pagpasok kayo dun sa requirements sa inyo na yan, tas pang-pricing yun. Ang maganda kasi sa CCQ is that you get an invite to Continentals eh.
Yeah.
Imagine mo,
Qualifiers,
like,
yeah.
yun nga, di ba si Anton got the one that we had here. Imagine if we had more of that.
Yeah.
More
So,
people
madami tayong
into the
pinapadala.
Continentals. Malamang syempre Continentals natin, yung ACQ natin. AQ, Hong Kong na naman. So, if we have that, then good for everybody all around.
Mhm.
More events naman din talaga. It's all good. Tapos, ayun, the card din naman, diba? Playable as well.
Yeah,
More.
playable as well.
So,
Playable as well.
looks good. Hoping talaga we get to see more qualifiers from our LGSs. So, the same lang then, support your LGSs and then hope for more. Kasi when they do good, we all get some. Diba?
Mhm.
And then, ayun, it's something to fight for pa rin talaga. So, yung mga mahilig makipagbakbakan, there's more of that. Marami ng pwedeng paglabanan, 'di ba?
Mhm.
More battlegrounds.
Actually,
Let's
isa
go.
nga sa mga magpapa-approve pa ng isang CCQ is if you have the ability to stream it.
Isa yan
You're
sa
opening
mga
the doors to help.
isa yan sa mga pangarap natin.
So sinasabi lang namin na isa sa mga pangarap namin na
Na
sana makapag-stream kami ng isang event na ganyan kalaki.
yan.
Alright.
Within the channel. So it's one of our targets. So kung nanonood kayo, gusto ninyo o ready na kami, ready na yung inyong analysis team, no? May OBS si BJ, kompleto na, internet na lang yung kailangan.
Internet lang kailangan. I have all the equipment.
Kompleto na equipment, no? Kaya na naming dalhin yan.
Sige,
Sige.
so we move on to the next part. Ito, local qualifiers.
Okay, so just to expand on what we've discussed dun sa kung gaano ka-importante yung pag-run ng mga set champs and supporting your LGS. This for me, I think, is one of the single most important announcements that came from all of the announcements. Now, so from what we have discussed, with the information given, and from people that we asked, lahat ng mga hindi ko alam kung kasi top players so hindi ko alam kung hanggang top 8 yan. Let's just assume that it is. Now, lahat ng mga tao na magta-top 8 sa isang set champs will all be invited to one very big CCQ na kung saan lahat ng mga set champs players, top players will go for an invite. So ano siya, parang
It's another path.
it's another path.
Mm.
No? So hindi ko alam kung straight to Worlds yan or kung qualifier siya. I don't know. No. Basta ang importante dyan is that yung regional, yun nga.
Regional
Earn
yan.
promo cards and an invite to regional championship, which is a continental.
Continental yan.
So pasokan ng continentals. So this is as big as winning a CCQ.
Yeah.
Ang
Set
maganda
champs
ang
is more
maganda kasi dito
important.
sa mga champs na local qualifiers is there will probably be a smaller pool of players.
They're
Kasi
gonna be
nag-invite
good
lang
though.
siya. Yeah, they're gonna be good. But tignan mo naman yung pricing.
Yeah.
May sarili siyang pricing.
Brave little Taylor na
It's like winning a golden Mickey that's not
not
gold.
gold.
Golden bordered Mickey.
It's just a shiny Mickey.
Gold bordered Mickey.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Has more words.
Para ka na rin nanalo ng Golden Mickey pero parang na Timo version. Timo version Golden Mickey. But this top 32 would probably be foil.
Yeah, the top 32 would likely be foil.
Probably
Participation
be foil.
is non-foil.
Diba? Ito yung card ng Golden Mickey Foily Mickey.
Yep.
Diba? So parang again, more exclusive pricing. Take note na hindi ito basta-basta nakukuha. Kung hindi ka nag-qualify ng set champs, wala ka nito.
Yep.
More events, more pricing.
The season 3 pricing has always season 3 looks like Ravensburger is pulling out all the stops.
Yeah, they have.
And I think they've decided that this is the year that Lorcana is mature enough to deserve this kind of a push.
Yep,
so yeah, we're all for it. I mean, we've been playing this game since we're not necessarily day one, but since the early times before distro, and we are glad to see it reach this level now. And we can only hope that it continues, and it will continue if we keep on supporting our LGSs, we keep on supporting our events. And yeah, it's not like they're not enticing us. They're really, really just giving us the bait here so that we would really go for the really, really big prizes that they're presenting to us right now.
We're really spoiled right now.
Yeah.
Itong incoming season.
We gonna eat good.
Ang laking difference ng pricing. Super laki. Patapos na rin tayo, no?
Yeah.
So, just to kind of quickly wrap this up. So, yung Hyperion City is coming out. We've looked at a few cards, no? So, yung ink drop will probably be the same mechanic as yung treasure
tokens from
ng,
Magic.
ng Magic na tawag ba nun, you expend it and then it goes away.
Single-use ink resource.
Single-use, yeah. So, Baymax will have that shift. Madam Mim will also have some form of ink drop mechanics na rin. And just to show you yung incoming art nung so this is what it will be. Of course, it will be Coco themed. No, I still need to watch it. Hindi ko pa siya napapanood. No, actually, pati yung Turning Red, di ko pa napapanood. So, I still also have to watch it. No, kasama na yan dun sa mga kailangan kong gawin over the break. No, but next few packs natin. No? So, again, yung yung I think yung itong sino nga ba to sa Coco? Si
Miguel.
Si Miguel na spoil na siya na if you have a song in your discard, he gets +1 lore. Si Belle wala pa, but we've speculated that she will probably be a shift Belle given na
because of the
A
Yeah.
legendary din.
A legendary.
Mm.
No?
Tas yung
So,
Baymax nga.
next slide, I think
Yeah,
we
we got
also have, yun nga,
Goofy
ito
and
yung I
Cindy.
think lahat ng mga princess is legendary based on what we,
Yep.
ano. So, yung Mulan, yung Belle,
And yung
Rapunzel, probably
Raps.
this Cindy, and of course, kung ano man tong goof na to, hindi natin alam. Probably Goofy movie, a Dreamborn one, maybe. We don't know yet. No? But ito yung preview lang nung next natin. No? So this
Wow.
is our current
Bingo
Hyperion City
card.
The
Bingo.
bingo.
We will try to update the bingo card as we go along the episodes. No?
Inunahan na
So
natin.
far, inanahan natin. So may new keyword tayo which is adventurous. So this is like reverse reckless. Reckless kasi mas challenge if able. Ito mas quest if
Mas quest
able.
if able, yeah.
Yeah. So parang paano pag linagyan mo ng reckless ang isang adventurous? You can't do anything.
Yeah,
No?
actually, you
Probably
can't.
except probably
Sting.
sing.
Sing lang.
Sing. You can sing. Or it's an
Activated
ability.
ability.
No? So may other way to shift na ilobas na siya dyan.
Yan yung si Baymax.
And we have this thing if we will bingo out in the next few weeks na may spoilers.
Give us Shan
Lalabas
Yu.
siya.
Let's go.
Wala pa nga
Do
Ayoko
siya
ng
it.
eh.
T2 ramp. T2 ramp.
T2
Nandito pa
ramp.
rin.
Oh my
We'll
God,
see.
magdagka ko ng T2 ramp sa Sapphire. We back, boys!
We'll see. So, Hyperia City, October pa. We have a weeks to go. Set champs muna. We have stuff to go to. Again, support your LGS. So, we go with housekeeping ulit, no?
Mhm.
So,
So ito,
eto, upcoming
hindi pa
natin.
rin nadagdagan, no? So Play Cafe still has
Nadagdagan yung
their
game start.
No, we had that from last episode already.
Ay, hindi kasi natin nalagay.
Okay, sige. But
Yung
anyway,
mesa.
game start
Yung
tayo.
mesa wala dito.
Ay, yung mesa wala dito.
Well, ano pa yon? Again, nandun tayo sa part ng hindi pa natin alam yung mechanics nun. Kasi hindi pa nagre-reply ng maayos. No? But if we get information, then we will share. But Play Cafe and side quest to be determined pa. But most likely, side quest historically always has theirs on a Sunday. So, one of these Sundays na hindi na-cover dyan, most likely dun siya mapapalpan.
Yeah.
Kidoks. And then,
September's really full.
yung last slide natin,
Isa
I think is still this.
General events
no?
sched.
Yeah, general events calendar is still this. Nadagdagan ng konti sa Tarlac. They have theirs on Saturdays, tama ba? Ewan ko kay Joey pa iba-iba. No? But meron na rin hopefully isang community na lumalaki doon. I've seen a post na kung saan meron mga taga Tarlac, bigla sila naglabasan, 3 sila doon na bagong hopefully Joey can help with that. No? And of course, yung Enchanted Showdown sa BGC, August 22. So,
This
kita-kits na
weekend.
lang doon. This weekend na yan. No? So, slots are still not yet sure.
I'll probably drop by just for the vibe since I didn't get to. I didn't get to sign up.
So, August yung
And I don't have a deck anyway.
August yung wala masyadong event, September tayo packed. So ito yung meron tayo upcoming, yung Enchanted Showdown nga.
Yeah.
Diba?
So the person to beat dyan will be Juancho because this will be again his probably
the last paper practice.
Last paper practice bago niya umalis, no? So again, medyo wide yung meta. You have as good as chance to beat him as matakot sa kanya. And if anything, he will share with you some of his knowledge. Ako, I always, kung mag-match kami, I always look forward to
I always
kasi,
look forward to matching against Juancho.
Parang, again, siya yung benchmark natin dito eh. It looks.
Alright. So, anything else?
Wala na. Anyway, that is it for today's episode, mga pamangking. Thank you very much once again for joining us. And as usual, please like, share, subscribe, and let us know what you think of these new, revelations and how you feel about the new pricing. Sound off in the comments below. All right. And as usual, we will see you in the tournaments. Bye-bye.
Bye.